Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the analytical part of half-wave AC phase voltage controller. On the last term we have discussed the working of the circuitry. Now we will do a little bit analysis and we'll solve one numerical based on that, and then we can move to the next topic, that is full wave AC voltage controller. So in this circuitry we have seen the working and we have talked about the nature of output waveform. Okay, that all we have discussed. Any doubts in the working, then you can ask me personally on the WhatsApp. Then we talk about the various equation, that this is the input, that Vs is equal to Vm sin omega t, and we are knowing this is the Vs, then what will be the RMS value that we are having, that is Vm by under root 2, because your input is sinusoidal. So this is the RMS value of any of the sinusoidal load. What about the output load voltage? If you can see, then output load voltage V0 is equal to VL is equal to 0 for 0 to alpha. Here देखो, for 0 to alpha it is 0. So it is 0. From alpha to 2 pi it is Vm sin omega t. Alpha to 2 pi it is following the input voltage, that is Vm sin omega t. Now we are, what about the output load current? So if we are having the resistive load, so simply the output voltage divided by the resistance will give you the output current. I0 is equals to IL is equal to 0 for 0 to alpha. 0 to alpha it is 0, and for the remaining time this is the equation. To find the expression of RMS output voltage, we can, the procedure is same. We have to put the limit, square the voltage, take the under root. But you have to solve it. This you have to do. Then this part is not of your syllabus. To calculate the average value of the output voltage. So how we will find the average voltage? Simply alpha to 2 pi. What is the equation of output voltage? Vm sin omega t. Take the average 1 over 2 pi and solve it. Solve it. You will find it. Like this is the VDC. So this is the analysis part, that VDC and VRMS we have found. Now, what are the disadvantages of the single phase half wave voltage AC voltage controller? So, if you can see, the output load voltage has a DC component because the two halves of the output voltage waveform are not symmetrical. You can see the positive half and the negative half, they are not symmetrical with respect to the zero level. So, the input supply waveform also has a DC component, which can result in the problem of core saturation. So the half-wave AC voltage controller using a single thyristor, because here we have used the single thyristor and a single diode, provides control on the thyristor only in one half cycle of the input supply. Hence an AC power flow to the load can be controlled only in half cycle. Half cycle में control हो रहा है, second half में नहीं हो रहा है. So half-wave AC voltage controller gives limited range of RMS voltage. So this is the drawback. This drawback can be overcome by using a single phase full wave AC voltage controller. So now we will talk about the single phase full wave AC voltage controller. What are the changes in the circuitry and what is the analysis, that we will see. Okay, so this is the circuit arrangement for the single phase full wave AC voltage controller. So you can see here we are having two thyristors. In the previous circuitry we are having only one thyristor, one diode. Here we are having two thyristors. Okay, and the load is resisted. So in this circuitry, or in this control technique used is called as the on-off control technique or the integral cycle control, that we have discussed on this last time. This will be the way to switching on the thyristor. For the N cycle it will on, for the M cycle it will off, again for the N cycle it will on, like that. So we will see. The basic principle of on-off control technique is explained with reference to a single phase full wave AC voltage controller circuit shown below. The thyristor switches T1 and T2 are turned on by applying appropriate gate pulses. See, the appropriate gate pulses. This is for the T1 and this is for the T2. During this time, no thyristor is switched on. The thyristor switches T1 and T2 are turned off by blocking the gate trigger pulses for m number of input cycle during the time interval T off. So this is the time interval T0 where both the thyristors are switched on. So thyristors are turned on precisely at 0 voltage crossing of the input supply. The thyristor T1 is turned on at the beginning of each positive half cycle by applying the gate trigger pulse of T1. As we have seen, this is the pulse T1, it is applied over here. The load current flows in the positive direction, which is the downward direction as shown over here. So we will get, this is the nature of output waveform we will get for the N cycle when the thyristor is on. This will be the waveform of thyristor current. Now if we see the parameters analysis, so we are having the sine wave input supply voltage Vm sin omega t, or you can say root 2 Vs sin omega t. T on time is N into T is the T on time. T of time is M into T. Okay. So if we talk about the frequency, how we can find T on time क्या है? N into T. T off क्या है? M into T. Total time कितना हो गया? T on plus T off. तो ये क्या हो गया? NT plus MT. Okay. और to find the RMS voltage, VRMS, that can be find by this way. To derive an expression for the RMS value of the output voltage for on-off control method. So this is the on-off control method. In this way, in this method, you will have to find the VRMS by using this way. See, omega t is equal to 0 to omega t on the voltage and the average. Okay, so that we have to do, and then we solve it, and then finally we get this expression after solving it. Now, what is your T? T is the input supply time period. T, capital T is the supply time period, and T on and T can be written in this manner. This is the T on. So omega T on can be written in this manner. Okay. So we have to put the value of T on and T naught, and in terms of N and M, that we have already defined how you get T on and T off. So we will get this type of the expression for VRMS. Now performance parameter of AC voltage controller. This is how we can find the RMS voltage. The duty cycle T on over T naught. So T on is this, T on plus T off, complete time period T naught. So this is M plus N. We will get RMS load current, VRMS divided by Z, or the if you are having only resistive load, then R. Output power I square R. Input power factor, so the output load power divided by input supply volt ampere. This is the average current of thyristor. By this way we can find the various parameters for the circuit. Now we will just go through a simple problem over here for the half wave voltage controller, and then we will stop. So we are having this type of the problem. See, this type of the numerical is possible in the exam. We are having a circuit, a single phase half wave AC voltage controller has a load resistance R is equal to 50 ohm. Okay, input supply voltage दिया हुआ है, input supply transformer turns ratio is given, and triggering the alpha is equal to 60 degree, and we have to find this number of parameters. So this is the given parameter. RMS value of output voltage, इसका एक्सप्रेशन ऑलरेडी हमने जब डिस्कस किया. Then we can simply we have to substitute the formulas. ये जो फॉर्मूला है इसमें वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है और आ जाएगा. ठीक, all the formulas you should know, and by substituting the values you can find this. Here the wherever you are having the alpha, you have to put this. The alpha is equal to 60 degrees given for this particular problem. So by this way you can solve it. Okay, so go through this, the single phase half wave voltage controller and single phase full wave voltage controller. Tomorrow I will take the 3-phase voltage controller. Okay, and then after the cycloconverter, that will be the last topic for this chapter. Okay, any doubts you can ask on WhatsApp. See, I am taking now, previously I was taking the lecture very nicely on this GoToMeet app, but as the GoToMeet, the trial version is only for the 14 days, that is expired, and it is now also saying that Zoom is also not suitable. So I'm just finding this way out. I can record the lecture and can send to you. And moreover, the very less students were attending the lecture when I was taking it in the proper manner. So if you just don't want to attend the lecture, you just, if the material passing is sufficient, then this is okay. Okay. Still, any doubts, anytime you can ask me on the WhatsApp or the mail, or even you can call me. Please. जिनको पढ़ना है वो कभी भी मेरे को कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो पूछ सकते हैं रिलेटेड टू दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक और एनी टॉपिक वट एवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इन दिस सब्जेक्ट. ओके, जिनको नहीं पढ़ना है, इफ यू कैन डू बाय योर ओन, देन इट इज ओके. ठीक, ओके, थैंक यू.